Hey everyone! In a recent launch event that featured Xiaomi's latest Smart Band 9 Pro, Pad 7 series tablets, and Xiaomi 15 series smartphones, the company subtly introduced another exciting device, the Redmi Band 3. Building on the success of the Redmi Band, the new fitness band brings some meaningful upgrades at a very competitive price point. Let's take a closer look at what the Redmi Band 3 has to offer. The Redmi Band 3 maintains the sleek, compact look of its predecessor while enhancing the display experience. It comes with a 1.47-inch screen that has a 320 by 172 pixel resolution and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. This larger and sharper display provides better visibility for notifications, health metrics, and fitness data. The band's casing is ultra-thin at just 9.99 millimeters, and it weighs only 16.5 grams, making it one of the lightest and most comfortable wearables in its class. To suit a range of style preferences, Xiaomi offers silicone straps in various colors, including white, pink, yellow, black, and dark gray, giving users options to match their fitness band with any outfit or occasion. The Redmi Band 3 is packed with essential upgrades that improve its functionality and ease of use. Notably, the band now includes NFC for convenient, contactless payments, allowing users to make quick transactions with just a tap. It's also equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, which improves connectivity, range, and energy efficiency compared to the previous model. With 5 ATM water resistance, the Redmi Band 3 can handle depths of up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and most other water-based activities. However, it lacks built-in GPS, which might be a limitation for users who want precise location tracking during outdoor workouts. The Redmi Band 3 continues Xiaomi's focus on health and wellness with a robust set of tracking features. It offers scientific sleep tracking, all-day blood oxygen monitoring, and all-day heart rate monitoring, enabling users to monitor key health metrics around the clock. The device also supports 50 different sports modes, catering to a variety of fitness routines and activity types. The Smart Band runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS, providing users with a seamless, responsive experience and access to over 100 customizable watch faces. This allows for further personalization, making it easy to adapt the display to each user's individual style. The Redmi Band 3 is powered by a 300 mAh battery, which Xiaomi claims can last up to 18 days in standard mode on a single charge. For those who frequently use the advanced health monitoring features, the battery life is still quite impressive at around 9 days, ensuring that the band can last through extended periods of use without frequent recharging. Currently available in China for about $22, the Redmi Band 3 is an appealing option for budget-conscious consumers looking for a high-quality fitness tracker. Although Xiaomi hasn't announced global availability, there's a good chance the device will be released internationally, as previous generations of the Redmi Band series have often reached wider markets. With its improved display, added NFC support, enhanced water resistance, and a wide array of health tracking features, the Redmi Band 3 offers excellent value for its price. For fitness enthusiasts and casual users alike, it brings together style, functionality, and affordability in one sleek package. As Xiaomi continues to expand its ecosystem of affordable wearables, the Redmi Band 3 could soon become a popular choice worldwide. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.